I'd say take it. Make sure you take as much training as you possibly can. This for sure. But I mean, you want to improve. But you can't leave it too much. You've got to kind of have that little infusion at least a year, if not every 6 months, to make sure that you're kind of making sure that your craft is honed and you're passionate about it. You're sharpening your skills. I would say you're going to get a different perspective that maybe some of the other training courses take. It's just more of I would say almost a theatrical approach of broadcast quality training that makes sure that you're kind of nuancing into one of the things was sort of this reading the room and feeling the room and seeing how it's going to breathe and make the event happen even better when you make sure it's nuanced. Just building relationships. It's an amazing community, and it's being part of that community is you're part of the cool club, and it's so cool. It's fantastic. It's just a great feeling to be able to share with those like-minded individuals.